Derek Labby with Flowtech, here to show you a TAMCO 1500 saltwater U-bolt damper adjustment, where you would have to adjust the damper actuator arm in order to fit your actuator on. You could have multiple dampers shipped, and then you have to move this actuator arm to position your actuator. So we're going to display how to loosen the U-bolt and move that shaft. This would be installed in an air handler. It could be a supply, a return, outdoor air, it could be a face or bypass damper. And you might run into an application where you need to just slide it an inch or two to get the actuator fit on properly, to have enough for the actuator to bite onto. Or in another case, you might want to add a few of these damper sections together where this whole arm can be slid left or right to meet the dampers up. So I'm going to take an 11mm right here, and I'm going to loosen these 2 hex nuts just enough to be able to slide your actuator arm. So here's your actuator arm. Now we're in place. Now we can put these 2 dampers together, A, or B, we can put our actuator arm on and have enough material on here to bite with the actuator head. And then once you're set in place, now we just go back and tighten the connections on the U-bolt. This is typically done once when you install the retrofit dampers, or if you replace the actuator down the line, you might have to adjust just a hair. If the new actuator has a little bit of a different head, you might have to move it in or out. But Flowtech would come out and measure your dampers, measure your air handler, and see what type of dampers you need, and we would work with a mechanical company to have them installed. Another application is we have ductwork here, and you can get extended shafts to come out of the ductwork and have your actuator externally mounted. So then it's very serviceable in the field. You don't have to shut the air handler off, you can service it outside the air handler.